cam on you?
Sure.
Because I want the cam to be catching all of this.
Okay.
There's nothing on my record.
Okay.
Period. I do that consciously
Okay.
because I understand. My ID. Yeah. It's just look. I just want to. He doesn't like.
On September 11th, 2021, police conduct a traffic stop on a vehicle for an improper lane change. When they approach the vehicle, the driver, Tobian, decides to make things incredibly difficult.
Ask who attacked him back there.
But I'm not a bad person.
How you
Hi. Listen, hi.
How you doing, ma'am?
Hi, here's my hand.
I see your hand.
I'm not gonna be a bad person.
That's
Listen,
good.
I tell the truth. I'm an honest and regular human being who tells the truth, and I don't want to get in trouble. I just want to go home. Wait, I didn't even drink out here. I didn't even fucking drink out here. I just came to pick up my friend. I just want to go home. I just want to go home.
I didn't stop you, ma'am. I don't know why they stopped
No,
you.
you didn't stop me, but I just want to go home, okay?
Stay in the car.
No, I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go out. I'm
Stay.
not going to go out.
Get in the car.
Can I? Hey, don't be mean to me. I
Then
didn't do
listen.
nothing.
Then listen.
I didn't do anything wrong. Don't talk to me like that. I don't like that. I didn't do nothing wrong. Don't talk to me like that.
Sit down, ma'am.
I'm sitting down. Look.
Don't touch me.
I would never.
You just did.
Not on purpose. Never. Look. See? I swear I don't mean nothing bad by you.
Sit down.
Okay. I want to go though. Oh no. See ya.
Did you already talk to him?
No,
Yeah, I gotta
the
go.
other guy.
Quick.
No, it wasn't even you guy. Hi.
What's going on?
I just want to go home. I don't have nothing. I just talk a lot of shit. I just talk a lot. I talk too much.
What's your name?
Tobian.
What is it?
Tobian.
Tobian?
And.
Tobian, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It's loud out here.
Yeah.
What's going on?
I don't know. I think they feel like I do. I don't want. Can I go? Can I go? Yeah, nobody's telling me. I'm here to pick up somebody, bro. I'm not even.
Where are you coming from?
I'm everywhere. What the fuck? I'm here to pick someone up.
Okay. So where are you coming from before? I'd say
My
coming down.
house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I live like 2 minutes away.
Where do you live at?
Like right on 13th Street.
Okay.
Address.
Okay.
You have my me. I don't know.
what his
I
I'm
don't
trying to
know.
talk to you.
Listen.
Where,
Can I like put my butt right here?
where are we Dukes of Hazzard in here?
I just right. Straight to
So yeah, why don't you just step all the way out?
No.
Well, you're
Why?
Why would you want to sit like that?
Because it's more comfortable.
Kind of.
And my boobs look good.
Well, do you have any medical issues?
No.
No?
Why? Because I look crazy?
Well, I mean, you're kind of acting a little
Oh, I'm sorry.
erratic.
I was only doing that because we're Ebor. Come on.
Sure.
All right, I'll be good. I'll be good.
Are you diagnosed with anything?
No, I've never been diagnosed with anything.
Okay.
There's nothing on my record.
Okay.
Period. I do that consciously because I understand.
Do you take any kind of medication?
No, not at all.
Okay. Do you have any kind
I have
of
no types of medical anything at all.
Okay.
Do not put that on me, sir.
What am I putting on you?
Whatever it is that you're trying to put on me right now, I'm perfectly sane.
Okay. Well, I'm not saying okay.
Perfectly sane. Hold on, can I talk to your microphone?
No, here. Actually,
I'm not gonna touch you.
Step out real quick.
No, sir. Unless you want me, you can have me. But I'm not stepping out of anything because I'm perfectly sane.
That's fine.
How dare you?
Can I check your eyes as part of field sobriety to make sure that you're okay to be
I
driving?
don't know if I have it on me.
You don't know if you have any eyes on you?
I have 2 of them.
Yeah, can I check them as part of field sobriety?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay. Can you step outside so I can
No!
do it?
No!
Okay.
I'm not doing that.
Okay, do you wear glasses or contacts?
Sometimes.
Well, are you
But
wearing them
they're-
right now?
No.
Okay.
They're colored contacts because I like green eyes.
Okay.
Stop fucking playing with me, sir. You have a fucking mustache and I don't trust you.
Well, I'm sorry that you feel that
Do
way.
you have a fucking cam on you?
Sure.
Because I want the cam to be catching all of
I
this.
believe that it is.
I don't trust him.
Okay. Here, listen. Can you see my light right here?
Yes.
What color is it?
Red.
All right. What I want you to do is focus on my light.
Should I?
Well, I'd like you to.
Yeah, you'd like me to. But I don't want to because I don't trust
Well,
you.
here's what's going on. Okay, right now.
Okay,
we're-
touch me.
There's a possibility that
Can
you're
I hug
impaired.
you?
No.
No,
So
I'm
I
not
would-
even the driver.
Well, I would like to check your eyes as
I'm
part of
not
field
the
sobriety.
driver, so you don't get to determine whether I'm impaired or not.
Listen, I'd like you to do
Am
some
I
field sobriety
impaired? Or
exercises.
does it actually fucking matter that I'm actually impaired or not?
Okay.
I'm not the driver of this car.
If you don't do the exercises, what it does is it
I'm
puts
not
me in a
the-
position to
I'm
I'd have
not
to make
the-
a decision
I am
to
not-
arrest you or not, based off of everything
I am
I've
not
seen thus far.
impaired. I am not the driver of this car.
So will you participate in the exercises for me?
No, because you. Oh fuck me. Okay, but I'm not the driver. But if I chose to actually test or whatever the fuck it is that you're asking me for, Let me go. I'm asking a real ass question. Let me go.
Hey, look. Here, come to the...
No, I want to ask you a question before I do that. No, I'm not under arrest.
You are. That's what handcuffs mean.
No. Why am I under arrest? Why? I was not driving. Driving? No. DUI means driving under intoxication. Driving under intoxication. I was not driving. Stop.
Hey!
Yeah,
Do
let
not
me
bite
go.
me! Do not bite me!
Let me go. Let me go. I was not driving. I was not driving.
Temple, I'll see with the other country so we can get a clean overhead.
Yeah. Wait, he's reading from the other side.
Is it really that serious? I was not driving.
But you're on the side.
I was not driving. I was not.
All right, can you hear me?
Of course I can fucking hear you.
Okay. I'm Officer Baden of the Tampa
I don't
Police
give a
Department.
fuck who you are.
I'm now
Fuck
requesting that you
fucking
submit
piece
to a
of
lawful
shit.
test of your breath
I
for the
hate you.
purpose of determining its
I wanna
alcohol
fuck-
content.
I hate you
If
so
you fail to
fucking
submit
much.
to the
I
test I
didn't do
requested of
nothing
you,
to you.
your privilege to operate a motor
I didn't do
vehicle will be suspended for a period of 1 year
Fuck
for a first
you.
refusal, or 18 months if your privilege has been previously suspended as a result of
No.
refusal to submit to a
Let me
lawful
go.
test
I
of breath,
didn't do
urine, or blood.
anything.
Additionally, if you refuse to
did
submit
not
to the
do
test I requested of you,
anything.
and if your driving privilege has been
didn't do
previously suspended for a prior refusal to submit to a lawful test
Let me go.
of your breath, urine, or
Let
blood,
me
you'll be
go.
committing a
I
misdemeanor.
don't want to fucking talk to you.
Refusing to
Fuck
submit to
you.
testing is admissible as evidence in a criminal proceeding. Will you provide a breath sample? Do you want to provide a breath sample?
Fuck you.
Okay.
I hate you. I didn't do anything to you.
Hey, will you sign one for me?
Yeah, we
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
I can't hear you. What?
What?
Yeah. I'm gonna be here for a minute. I'm just gonna drop her off on this side now.
I didn't do anything.
So she's got one Batleo already. She's on some kind of something. She's all over the place. So.
Tobian was charged with battery, resisting arrest without violence, and driving under the influence. She was later found guilty of all 3 charges. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Code 3 Views for more real-life police encounters and gripping footage. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.